Hello and welcome to Charles' classes. Today we are going to solve one problem from a test of mathematics at 10 plus 2 level, which is very well known by Tomato. This book is published by Indian Statistical Institute to help the students in their preparation for PSTAT and BMath examination. So let's see the question. Consider the circle of radius 1 with its center at the point 0, 1. From this initial position, the circle is rolled along the positive x-axis without slipping. Find the locus of the point P on the circumference of the circle, which is on the origin at the initial position of the circle. Okay, so first of all, we draw the circle in the positive side of a x-axis. The circle. So this is the required circle of ours, and this is the origin, and this is the point P with coordinate h, k. Therefore, this is k and this is h, and we draw a perpendicular from O on x-axis, and we named it as x. Okay, now join this 2 point P and O and draw another line from P to the point where the perpendicular cut the x-axis. Okay, let at some point of time the point P00, when the point P in the origin, which was initially at the circumference of the circle, moved to circumference of the circle moved to point ph, k. Now let at that point O is the center of the circle, which is this point. Okay, now draw perpendicular to O to x-axis perpendicular to O to x-axis and P to x-axis, and let them meet at Q and R respectively. Okay, so this is the R point, this is the Q point. Now by the question, OP, which is the radius of this circle, is equals to 1. Therefore OP square is also equals to 1. Now since the coordinate of the O is h plus x, 1, therefore we can write that h plus x minus h whole square plus k minus 1 whole square is equals to 1. As we can see from the picture, if we draw a triangle, suppose we draw only this portion, which is OPRQ. Okay, this is O, this is P, this is R, and this is Q. Now the value of PR is equals to K, and the value of RQ is X, the value of OQ is 1. If we draw this triangle, therefore this is a right angle triangle. Okay, and the right angle is this angle, suppose name it M, therefore the angle M is right angle. Therefore we can say that OP squared is equals to PM square plus MO square. The value of PM is K minus 1 square and the value of MO is X square. So from this we get this equation, and the value of OP square is 1. Therefore this reduces to K minus 1 square plus X square is equals to 1, which results in X square plus K square is equals to 2K. Okay. Now from the triangle OPQ, we get PQ square is equals to 1 square plus 1 square minus 2 cos angle POQ, which results in 2 into 1 minus cos theta, as the angle POQ is equals to theta. We let that angle POQ is equals to theta. Therefore from this we get x square plus k square is equals to 2 into 1 minus cos theta. Okay, x square plus k square is equals to 2 into 1 minus cos theta. As we can see from this picture that if we draw this line, therefore this becomes a right angle triangle, and here the value of PQ, which results in 2 into 1 minus cos theta, uh, the value of PQ square, which results in 2 into 1 minus cos theta, is nothing but k square plus x square by Pythagoras theorem. Therefore x square plus k square is equals to 2 into 1 minus cos theta. This is true. Now from this we can write 2k is equals to 2 into 1 minus cos theta, and from this we get theta is equals to cos inverse 1 minus k. So I repeat this portion again. If we join these 2 points P and Q, therefore we get a right angle triangle again, which is PRQ. Okay, and in this triangle, if we use the Pythagoras theorem, we get PQ square is equals to PR square plus RQ square. Now the value of PR is K and the value of RQ is X. Therefore X square plus K square is equals to PQ square. And from this equation we get already that PQ square is equals to 2 into 1 minus cos theta. Therefore theta is equals to cos inverse 1 minus k. Now also arc PQ is equals to x plus h, which is equals to theta. Therefore x is equals to theta minus h. Okay. Now from this equation, that is x square plus k square is equals to 2k, if we named it at equation 1, therefore we can write that from 1 we get x is equals to plus minus root over 2k minus k square. Therefore, theta minus h is equals to plus minus root over 2k minus k square. Okay. Now, theta minus h is written as cos inverse 1 minus k minus h, as theta is equals to cos inverse 1 minus k, and this is equals to now plus minus root over 2k minus k square. Now we also can write cos inverse 1 minus k minus h whole square is equals to 2k minus k square. Therefore, the locus is cos inverse 1 minus k minus x whole square is equals to 2y minus y square. Okay, so this is the required locus of our problem. So that's all for today. Now, we Soros's classes provide different study materials with mock test series for different I.S.I entrances. So you can join us. For further details, you can check our website, which is www.sorosclasses.com, and please subscribe our YouTube channel to get the notification first. Thank you very much.